'Cause you are the one. Sige, maka-guess kung ano yung song ko. Wala, mag-guess nyo lang. Bakit tingin nyo bibigyan ko yung pera kung nga walang pera eh. I-guess nyo lang. Yeah. Hi! Hello po. Hello. Guys, ano kasing pamagat neto? Yung... Kasi yun? Kasi pamagat neto, guys. Oh. Ito guys. Ay, nawalang boses. Your forever, give me... Oh, yun, give me your forever. Nawalan tuloy ako ng boses. Favorite ko to, guys. Give me your forever. Nilalagay ko yun sa pader para ano, yung kama pinapalamig ko. Grabe ginawa ko yung manghuhula. Thank you, Mama Nat. Guys, you can just send gift. Do you remember when we were young, you were always with your friends? One is to grab your hands and run away from them. I knew that it was time to tell you how I feel. So I made a move, I took your hand, my heart was beating loud like I've never felt before. You were smiling at me like you wanted more. I think you're the one we've never seen before. I want you to know I love you the most. I'll always be there right by your side. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. I want you to know that you'll be the one, and I'll be the guy who'll be on his knees to say I love you and I need you, and see I die for you. Just give me your forever. I know it would be possible for you to be with me, 'cause you love someone else back in 73. I was so jealous seeing you with him. Oh baby, oh, ayaw niya nga eh. I can treat you better back in those nights. Oh, you wouldn't cry from the stupid lies. Oh baby, I did your judge, you should be mine. I want want you to know I love you the most. I always feel better right by your side. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just keep me up forever. I want you to know that you'll be the one, and I'll be the guy you'll be on his knees to say I love you.
Meron ka na bang anak o tatlo?
I need you and say I die for you. Just keep me up forever.
Kam! Night, come here!
Ang
daming bata, oh my. Saan pa si Itch? Hindi ata nag-mute si Itch.
I told myself that you were the one. You're the one.
Kam! Night! Come here!
You're always in my mind. Just keep me forever. I want you to know that you'll be the one, and I'll be the guy you'll be on his knees to say I love you, and I need you, and say I die for you. Just keep me
Wala, maglalaha. Wala lang, magla-live lang ako. Gusto ko na mag-live kasi wala akong gagawin eh. Ayun. Come here, Night! Holy Night! Holy! Holy Night, the stars are bright and shining. Ooh. Holy Savior. Ay, guys, may paparinig ako sa inyo. Dito nyo lang yung maririnig. At ako ang unang gagawa niyan dito sa live. Okay, ito yung mga kapag kunyari, feel ko mas mas makaka-relate dito yun. Ayan na, si Itch, nag-mute na! Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Si Itch pa lang yan ha. Guys, para to feel ko mas makaka-relate. Bye guys, sira na yan na si Itch. Mas makaka-relate dito yung mga mama na hindi nakapag-ano dito sa Pilipinas. O sa ibang bansa. Para sa inyo po ito. At para din sa mga malalayo kahit hindi sa ibang bansa. Sa hindi kompleto yung magulang, sa patay na. Hindi pala to, sorry. Mali pala, sorry. Bye, guys! Papatugtog na ako para makapag-ipon na kayo ng regalo nyo. hinihintay nyo? Mag-ipon na kayo na regalo. Malapit na ang Pasko. Pasko na, bigyan nyo na ako ng regalo. Ang handa natin ngayong Pasko ay Coco Crunch. Thank you, Mama Nat. Thank you, Mama Nel. Thank you, Mama Nat. Love you. Ako na si Marichan. Ako mauna sa kanya, te. Yes! Bigyan niyo na ako ng regalo. Hala! Kapiling ko mga bituin ngayong gabi.
Maulap ang aking katabi, ngunit hindi ako nag-iisa, pagkat ikaw ay nandito na. Talas ka, ikaw matay aking pati.
Pag-mag-is... Wow! Aga naman ang gift! Ngayong Pasko'y mag-iiyaw. Ngayong Pasko, Mama Son, thank you. Saan man sa mundo, tanaw nila ang liwanag mo. Yes, tama ba to? Aga ng Christmas na. Paparamdam ko sa inyo yung Christmas hanggang June. Pag nirigning ang Pilipino.
you.